Hey, what is up everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to file your self-employment tax returns on TurboTax. Now, as you can see, I'm on my TurboTax homepage right here. And what you need to do is to go to the menu on the left and then click on Federal to view all your federal tax information and settings. Then click on Wages and Income. And you want to go to the self-employment income and expenses here. And as you can see, I do already have a return in progress. Now, if you don't have one, or if it's your first time adding one, you'll simply find Start here instead of Add and Edit. Simply click on Start. And for me, I need to add another line here in order to start the process from scratch. And here you need to answer some questions regarding the type of work that you do, the category, and if you are the one who did this work, and then continue with the form, answering the questions in order to file your self-employment returns.